Okay, so ChatGPT 4 just came out, and I'm going to show you how to turn your ideas into reality quicker by turning on the voice dictation on your laptop so that your voice and the things that you say can turn into code and content. Open up your system preferences, head over to accessibility, scroll down a little bit and you'll see voice control. Check the tick box for enable voice control and you'll see this little thing pop up in the corner. Log into ChatGPT and select the model that you want to use. I'm going to choose ChatGPT 4. Nice, now we're set up, let's have a conversation and ask it some basic prompts. Once I click it, it's going to start recording what I say, so we'll get into it. I'm building a website for a dog walking company called Walk My Dog. Write the HTML for a basic website that has the following sections. Section 1, Hero section, contains a title, a short description, and a call to action button that says, Walk My Dog. Section 2 contains 3 customer testimonials. Section 3 contains a description of the company, Walk My Dog. And section 4 is a footer. Let's hit enter and see what we get. And there you have it. ChatGPT is producing the basic HTML for my awesome website with a title, a short description, and a button, as you can see here, which says Walk My Dog. In section 2, there's a testimonial, and we asked for 3 testimonials. 1, 2, and it looks like it's producing a 3rd one. Walk My Dog has been a lifesaver. I'm very happy with the service. I think you get the gist. Write a 400-word essay on the history of education. And there we go. I have the basic first draft of my essay. I can use this to complete my homework and then make edits so that it sounds like me and add my own sort of opinions into the mix. And finally, write the script for a YouTube video that explains how ChatGPT is disrupting the education system. It's even giving me some ideas for the intro, some text that appears on the screen. Welcome back to the future of EdTech, where we explore the latest innovations in education. I'm your host, Alex. I'm not Alex, but that's good enough. This is a great start. Now tell me the transitions and also what to include in the video with text cards and even the music. And that's just the start of it. I'm excited for this new technology to be in the hands of every young person to turn their ideas into reality quicker. If you want to learn how to develop skills like this and learn stuff that schools can't teach you, head over to City as a School, where we connect you to inspiring experts so that you can build a portfolio and find the job that aligns the most with your interests, your passions, and your career goals.